Hey everyone. So last night while helping my in-laws move, I acquired this and we are going to go through all these slowly during the next couple weeks. I'll keep you updated when I find. We're almost done with that hand grab of coins. I came across this old 1940 nickel, first time I've come across one of those, and a 1959 Canadian. Let's see what else is in here. Out of that first grab we have a 1940, which was a good find, a bicentennial quarter, some pennies from the 60s and 70s, and a few Canadian cents. So all in all, not bad. So there's a lot more. We'll bring you back. Now look at this. What a great couple handfuls. A lot of random foreign coins, Canadians, pesos, older nickels from, let's see, 53 and 41. $1 coins, peso from 1938, looks like it went into a necklace. A coin, a commemorative coin, looks like it's actually has a pretty good amount of silver in it. A couple Susan B. Anthony's, $50, and bicentennial quarters. I'm going to be going through these, check for any variations, and I'll get back to you. Alright, look what I found out of that grab. We have a couple more $1 Susan B. Anthony's, 1979 and 1999. A wheat penny, 1939 some more foreign coins, and dollar coins. We also have a 1943 war nickel. I thought that was kind of cool. It's a S mint mark. Yeah, we'll keep going on this, and we'll see you guys soon. Alright, it's time for another grab out of the coin jar. Looks like so far we found a Wheatie 1949S. Yep, and let's see what else we get. Looks like we got a really good grab this time. 1949S wheat penny, 1966, pretty good shape. 1970, really good shape. 1964 nickel, and a silver 1964. So I was really excited when I saw this one. I haven't found a silver dime in a long time. Alright, we'll keep you informed to see what's next. Alright, let's get to it. Another grab out of the jar. So, a really good haul, this grab. First one I want to point out is the 1935 Panamanian coin. I looked it up, only 200,000 minted. So that's that's pretty rare. That's a really good one. 1980 has some nice wood grain, some older 60s, and 1959. So all in all, not too bad. I'm gonna do more research on this 1935. It should be worth a pretty good amount. All right, we're getting close to the bottom. Let's see what we can find in this jar. Okay, we're at the end of our coin grab. I did find 4 1959 Canadian 1 cent. So that's a pretty good amount just for one grab. 2 1959 Denvers. One is actually in pretty decent condition. 1979, 1974, and 1968 dime. So we'll see what happens on the next grab. Time for another grab out of the jar. So we're halfway done with this grab. First thing I found is a 1956, it looks like it's 6, S, and a Canadian 1966. So I'll bring you back for some more. Alright, still on the original grab, I came across this 1964 nickel, and on the reverse, it kind of looks like there is a possible repunch mint mark. So I'll show you the microscope. Right, here's the microscope. It almost looks like it's going toward the west. Could be a repunch mint mark, but we'll find out. Alright, looking back at that nickel, the reverse almost looks doubling. Look at, there's possible doubling on the S, the B, and the U, and let's see here, just that, and the R and the I. So tell me what you guys think. Possible DDR as well. That grab's all finished. We actually had a really good one. 66 Canadian 1956 S wheat penny, 64, and a really nice shiny 64D that could be a DDR or repunch mint mark. So we'll find out. I'll let you know, and we'll see you next time. Alright, we're getting closer to the bottom. Let's grab some more coins. Alright, looks like we found some silver. 1968 Kenny half dollar. Let me look closely. The weight on it actually seems pretty low for a 1968. It's supposed to be about average 11.5. I'll dig into this. Alright, putting that on the microscope, looks like we have a possible repunch mint mark. So that, let me just see if I adjust it here. Yeah, definitely looks like an RPM. So we'll keep you informed. See you next time. Yeah, so that 1968 half dollar looks like it could possibly be an RPM. Yeah, repunch mint mark. It definitely looks like one. So we'll see what else we get. Alright, let's keep going with the jar. So we got a few good ones on that grab. First thing I found was an Israeli 5 shekel coin. I'm not sure of the date. We have the 1981. It looks a bit off-center, overstruck. Nice looking 1971, 1961D, and a 1964D. So well, let's see what's next. So this dirty bag of coins is what's left of that jar. Let's see if we can finish it up today. So I noticed floating around on top, I found a wheat penny, 1936. So that's a good start. Let's see what else we get. So that jar is completely empty. Took us a couple weeks, but it's done. We ended it with, let's see, some foreign, well, looks like Canadian coins, 1980, 88, and 2008 quarter, 1959D penny, and a 1936 wheat penny. So yeah, we had a lot of good finds, and stay tuned when I upload a video, telling you all about it. So that concludes our jar. I just picked out a few of the random ones. We have lots of silver here. Got that looks like a half trolley ounce of silver. We have a 43S war nickel, a silver peso, a 64 dime silver, more foreign coins, older nickels, and a bunch of actually $1 coins, wheat pennies, and also I have possible die gouge and die clash. I have to verify those. And lastly, the rarest that I came across was a 1935 Panamanian coin. So all in all, this is a great hunt, and we'll continue later. We'll see you next time.